In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot Calling. To get started, let's first make sure you have HubSpot open and that you're logged into your account. When you're logged in and on the home page, you'll notice a variety of options, icons, and features at your disposal. To begin utilizing the calling feature, take a look at the top of your screen where you'll see a series of icons. Among them is the call icon, which might be represented by a small phone symbol. Go ahead and click on that call icon. This will be your gateway into exploring and setting up the calling features within HubSpot, a tool that can really enhance your business communications. Once you've clicked the call icon, you'll find yourself guided to a new section where there's a prompt that reads, "Learn how to unlock calling." Clicking on this will provide you with a comprehensive guide on what the calling feature encompasses. It is essential to take the time to understand how this works because having a strong grip on these features can significantly improve your business's communication capabilities. The guide will walk you through the necessary steps and offer detailed explanations on all the benefits and possibilities this feature provides. Now, as you review this information, think about your business needs. Consider whether unlocking the calling feature is crucial for your daily operations. If you find yourself nodding along as you read through the benefits and features, acknowledging that this is indeed what your business requires, then it's time to take action. To proceed, simply click on the Get Started button that you'll find on the guide page. This step will lead you towards activating the calling feature. Once you've clicked there, you'll likely be presented with various plans and options. If you're confident that you want to make this investment for your business, go ahead and click on Buy Now. By choosing to purchase, you'll be unlocking a robust set of tools that can enhance how your team communicates both internally and externally. This decision opens up a world of improved efficiency and streamlined communications, allowing your operations to run more smoothly and with greater connectivity. In summary, embracing the HubSpot calling feature could be a significant step forward in optimizing how you interact with clients, manage tasks, and coordinate with your team. Take your time to explore the options and make decisions that best align with your business goals. That wraps up our tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful as you integrate these new capabilities into your workflow.